Here's the progress on the O2 Sahara. I had cut out the rear floor panel. I got some more patchwork to do there. I'm cutting all that out as mentioned before in my other video. I had got it cut out, got the new panel spot welded in, finished it up, coated it, remounted my bracket, got the torque box installed, got still some fine cutting up there in the corner to get the floor panel in, the front floor pan here. Got everything spot welded back in. I'll be repainting the whole bottom half. There's a cover that goes on here, so I want to make sure it's coated nice. I'll probably make this piece that actually lips the plastic piece that goes on here it covers the rocker. I'll probably end up making that out of aluminum due to you could see the rust that it was creating out of the steel there. I mean, it's a simple part, just has a small couple little lips on it that the piece hooks into and gets screwed in. Other than that, I got the frame welded up. It was a lot of welding, a lot of rust. There was a lot of patching. There was patching already done to this Jeep once upon a time. Not by me. I see here I have an alignment. The torque box fell into place really nice. But there's a hole there that I need to open up. For whatever reason, everything else lined up nice other than that. So, I just wanted to give a rundown of what I did here. Come right up the back side, welded in a new panel on the frame, sort of a C shape. This is my first time actually doing this, so I'm learning as I go. I purchased a plasma cutter, as mentioned before. It's a Eastwood 40 amp. It makes work so much easier. I mean, it took me 5 minutes maybe to cut that front panel out, 5 minutes to cut the rear out. It's just, I wouldn't go any other way using cutoff wheels and angle grinders and having them catch, and I don't know, it's just so much faster. I'll try to keep everybody posted. I know I haven't did a follow-up on this. Been super busy. So, well, thanks for watching.